I'm Harry Boy and I'm a simplicity person. It's 4 a.m. in the morning when I wake up because my two beautiful breed is going to school. That's why I'm prepare some meals to prepare her stomach to become energetic and activation to the class. I don't know what I'm cooking because there's so many stock on the rep, many stock of water. And the good thing is I saw this immortality hot dog and the all-time favorite Chicken Nation nuggets. After that, I go to laboratory to unfreeze the immortality hot dog and chicken nuggets. I think the leftover rice is not enough. That's why I decided to cook some rice because my wife is also going to their work. Monday to Friday, I'll do this preparation because my wife reason she have work. It's okay for me because I have no time limit to my work as a delivery rider. If I object to his law, she will be angry because she is always right. My two beautiful breed is finished to taking a bath, so I took what they would wear. And after that, I will start to cook the meals. I'll put some used oil, washing the hot dogs, and I'll put to the overheating used oil. Happy New Year! As you can see guys, the oil has spread. And that the endless hot dog is already cooked. Of course, I'll taste it first. Quality check. The hot dog is tasty and the size was right. And also soft to chew. The textures is right. Overall performance 100%. And this is my daughter's favorite, chicken nuggets. And the result made her become lazy at home. Sunny siding up egg is my favorite. That's why I become handsome. When the food is ready, I will feed them. But before all that, I'm going to make some coffee. This is the Gratis Black Coffee. Gratis White or Gratis Black is equally delicious. Gratis! Baka namans! They are eating now while watching cellphone. Very good children! Just sleep well and I'll take care of everything. What a life. Maybe after a few days and months, I will replace you. If I can. Before taking them to school, I wash my face to wash away the dried flowing saliva. We already arrived at their school. Study hard guys to chase your dreams. Let's go! Because one of my dreams is her in the room. Set the aircon, turn off the light, and enter the dragon. It's already 7:40 in the morning. My wife is going to work. And of course, I will take him because she is the master. OG, president, commander of staff. Listen guys, if you're always wrong, you are with the right girl. I ate and showered and then I'm going to travel. Traveling around Manila is my work. Being a delivery rider is difficult but fun. You just go around, you just deliver what the item sent to pick up, and you just deliver at the drop off, and you will be paid based on the distance. Where is the buying of the ribs? Huh? Where is the buying of the ribs? I got a first booking from Valenzuela going to Paco, Manila for only 98 pesos. It's almost 1 hour to travel, almost 16 kilometers. What the earth is going on? But there is nothing we can do, no choice. Let's be happy in what we do.